So who was Pythagoras? Pythagoras of Samos, from 570 to 495 BCE, was an ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician. He invented the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You've probably read about this in your high school geometry class. Anyways, some of his main teachings were metempsychosis, which is the reincarnation of the soul, and vegetarianism, like PETA, vegan, vegetarian, animal rights, no animal sacrifice, things such as this. And he believed in mathematics creating divine concepts within the universe. So basically, he believed mathematics can explain divine intelligence, God, and the cosmos. This links to quantum mechanics and the Higgs boson particle, and how it can explain God, and even other particles such as baryons, which can play the more physical. They include the more physical particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, ones that you've probably heard of, the particles of the atom. These all can be explained mathematically, and you see Pythagoras, a long time ago, back in BCE, already had these concepts. It's just what's happened to Pythagoreanism and Neoplatonic thought is that the Greek Orthodox Church has subdued it and basically hidden it. So whatever, theorems that Pythagoras had made are hidden somewhere in some vault that the Greek Orthodox owns in Greece. So we can't really do anything about it. So all we know about Pythagoras is what we can learn from his works through his theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Geometry, we could study Euclid. We could study other Greek mathematicians like Diophantus, one of the inventors of algebra. And one of Pythagoras' concepts is the mathematicoi, which again is this theorem that numbers can explain divine principles. And the mathematicoi is something I'm researching on. This again is completely shrouded in mystery by the Greek Orthodox Church. I can't really go to Greece and say, hey, I'm a Pythagorean, I want the mathematicoi, because Greece is Greek Orthodox, right? Everything in Greece, everything that the ancient philosophers had discovered, Thales of Miletus, Plato, Pythagoras of Samos, it's all hidden, right? It's all, I don't even know if they have it anymore or if they just burned it down like the Christians burned the Library of Alexandria back in the day. So the Library of Alexandria probably contained a ton of Pythagorean theorems, ton of the mathematicoi. I mean, some of it might be irrecoverable, and we have to kind of reinvent it with quantum mechanics. So this is something I'm seriously considering, and hopefully I could find it, throughout my lifetime and prove that God exists through quantum mechanics. I mean, we have the Higgs boson particle, they call it the God particle, but there's no good formulas claiming that it is indeed God, it is indeed divine intelligence, and the cosmos is created by a divine creator. It just rather suggests that the Higgs boson particle is God. There's no conclusive evidence, though. That's why my formula, the Higgs boson degree H formula, which I believe will, once I rediscover it, I believe will further prove the existence of a divine intelligence and a creator of the cosmos through mathematical analysis. So this is just an overview of what Pythagoreanism is and how we could modernize it with, modern math and modern quantum mechanics, and hopefully understand the mathematicoi through research. Maybe even I have to probably visit Greece. I probably, as long as I don't get stoned for being a Pythagorean, but I'll probably have to visit Greece, see if I could uncover some of the secrets of Pythagoras and Plato, Thales of Miletus, some of the other guys.